Good morning, students. Today we will complete our remaining chapter, that is many state, one country. Now, students, but before starting this chapter, you all open your book, studio book, as well as your companion book. So, open page number 24 in your studio book and open page number 25 in your companion book. Now, student, on page number 24, first, people in urban areas practice a variety of occupations. There are many schools and hospitals in urban areas. This time we studied about the urban areas. There are also many places of entertainment such as cinema, theatre and amusement park. Now student, we are studied about urban areas. Got it? In urban areas, school and hospitals are there and so many places of entertainment such as cinema, theatre, amusement park. So students, amusement park it means entertainment park. ओके जहाँ पर मनोरंजन होता है, बहुत सारे स्प्रिंग्स वगैरह झूले वगैरह लगे रहते हैं, उसे अम्यूजमेंट पार्क. देयर आर प्लेसेस that have features of both urban and rural areas. These areas are called suburban area. So students, urban areas it is residential area. It means उपनगर. क्यों? Because urban is nagar and suburban upnagar. States and union territories have both urban and suburban rural areas. Students, these are places that have features of both urban. कुछ places ऐसे हैं जो urban और rural areas में दोनों में same होते हैं. These areas are called suburban area. ऐसे area जहाँ पर urban और rural areas के features same होते हैं उन्हें suburban कहा जाता है. Okay. Now students, look at 7.5 pap is this. Look at the picture. Is it in urban or rural area? Give reasons for your answer. Now 7.5 pap is this. I think, according to I think this is urban area because, according to me, it is urban area. Maybe it is suburban or according to you it is rural areas also. So write this answer yourself. But according to me it is urban area because an urban area has a higher population than a rural area and houses and buildings are built closer together and are often higher, taller than those in rural areas. And we saw in the pictures also. So according to me, this is urban area because urban areas has a higher population than a rural area and houses built closer together. Rural areas have vast farmland which help in providing people with food through farming. Urban areas provide opportunity for trade and large businesses. So both rural and urban areas help in the growth and development of India. Now students, rural areas have vast farmland. हमने पहले भी पढ़ा था पेज नंबर 23 पर. On 23 page number we studied about the rural areas. We know it, farmlands are there and they own their resident house which have been providing people food through farming. Urban areas provide opportunity for trade and large business. This is the very vast. So both rural and urban areas help in growth and development of India. Got it everyone? We studied about the urban and rural areas. Okay, move on next page. Now imagine you are traveling in train. Student, PEP 7.6 is this. Imagine you are traveling in train and looking out of the window. What do you see? Draw it in the box. This is the box. Draw it. What you imagine? when you are traveling in a train and looking out of the window. आप विंडो के बाहर देख रहे हैं, क्या क्या चीजें आपको दिखाई दे रही है, draw it in it. Okay. And question, does your picture show a rural or an urban scene? आपको कौन सी पिक्चर दिखाई दे रही है जब आप ट्रेन में हैं, रूरल और अर्बन? गिव रीजन फॉर योर आंसर. आपको रीजन देना है अपने आंसर का कि हमें कौन सी पिक्चर दिखाई देती है, अर्बन और रूरल. Got it everyone? This is PAP 7.6. In this PAP, imagine करना है traveling in a train and looking out of the window. What do you see? Draw it in the box. After that, does your picture show a rural or urban scene? Give reason for your answer. Clear to all? Okay. So very nice. Please next. Page number 26. Here, read the information given on each notepad. Write if it is an urban or rural area. In the given space, underline the facts that help you do this. Clear? Okay. 7.7 PAP is this. Read the information given on each notepad. This is the notepad. Write if it is an urban or rural area in the given space. Underline the fact that help you do this. हमें क्या करना है, इन फैक्ट्स को रीड करना है जो नोटपैड में है, दिस इज, और हमें वो लाइन अंडरलाइन करनी है जिससे हमें ये आइडेंटिफाइड हम कर पा रहे हैं, ये हम समझ पा रहे हैं कि ये रूरल एरिया है और अर्बन एरिया है, तो हमें उसे अंडरलाइन करना है. सो फर्स्ट, this is the rice grown here is consumed by many people across India. The rice grown here, यहाँ पर राइस उगाए जाते हैं, is consumed by many people, जो बहुत सारे लोगों के द्वारा eat up होते हैं भारत में. Okay, so it is rural or urban? It is rural area. Now we stayed overnight with the farmer on his wife and his wife. We did not see many people around. We stayed overnight with the farmer and his wife. We did not see many people around. So students, what you write it here? Rural, because farmers are also here. I woke up in many seats in the bus. I could see tall buildings on either side. There were too many people and vehicles. What is here? I woke up in my seat in the bus. I could see tall buildings. What we see? Tall building, and there were too many people and vehicles. What is here? It is urban area. After that, I keep counting the number of floors in the building. Here some have 30 floors. So what is here? It is also a urban area. Then after, here the place is very quiet. There are many trees here. I can also hear the sound of the stream flowing nearby. So it is a rural area, because the place is very quiet. Then last, I had to buy a few clothes for my trip. I went to a shopping mall near to buy what I needed. I had to buy a few clothes for my trip. I went to a shopping mall near to buy what I needed. So what is the answer here? I had to buy a few clothes my trip. So answer is urban. Student, in first, rural, urban, rural and urban. Got it everyone? Okay. Then move on. Next page. Complete the mind map. Okay. We are complete our mind map here. In this, India divided into states and union territories. 20 states and 9 union territories. Urban area, high population, cities and towns, bigger houses and buildings, variety of occupation. In rural areas, low population, villages, forest and farm. The main occupation is farming. Got it everyone? In urban area, high population, cities and towns, bigger houses and buildings, variety of occupation. In rural areas, low population, villages, forest and farm, the main occupation is farming. Clear to all? This time we studied about the urban and rural areas from chapter 7, many state, one country. So students, in India we have 28 state and 9 union territories. Got it everyone? Okay, now open here. Move on. Open your companion book. Many state, one country, project time. Start now. On the map, on the next page, mark the place, city, town, village you live in. What do you like most about it? We are here. Okay. About it, work in team to collect the information required to complete your project. Present the information as reported in class. Now first, name of the place you live in. So, where we live in? Tonk. We live in Tonk. Mark it on the map and yellow the state in yellow color. हमें उसे yellow color में mark करना है. So, in the map, we fill it by yellow color. Now fourth, it is a rural or urban area. It is suburban. Okay, so write it here, suburban area. Is it city, town or village? It is a city as well as town. Name one interesting feature of the place. It is a historical place. Okay, we are talking about the Tonk. So Tonk is a historical place, student. Write it here, it is a historical place. Now 6. Name the state or union territory the place belongs to. Tonk belongs to the state of Rajasthan. Clear to all? All things I will send in PDF students. So don't afraid. Write it down. Listening very carefully. And first of all open your book. Okay. Now open your next page in companion book. It is 26 page number. Name the capital of this state union territory. State Rajasthan. Capital is Jaipur. Now 8th question is name 2 neighboring state and color them on the map. So first is Punjab. Capital is Chandigarh. Second is Gujarat. Capital Gandhinagar. Okay students, 2 neighboring state. First is Punjab. Capital is Chandigarh. And second is Gujarat. Capital is Gandhinagar. And we fill all things in this political map of India. Okay student. Thank you so much for listening me. Have a nice day students.